Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now we are going to discuss about project which is so simple, as much simple that you can easily do this by using only HTML and CSS. So let's see the project. This is my project and I tried to make a project about front end of a website. So here I provide some facilities like watch more and subscribe button, and also there are also some uh, buttons like home, bedroom, dining, kitchen, backyard. And my website name is interior, and simply I use some symbol like exclamatory symbols and etc. For this logo, so it looks so fancy but not average. So this is the theme. Let's see the code what we want to do. Let's see.